To test internet speed on Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open the Phone Manager app on our device. So you should be able to find it on any Realme 16 Pro device. You don't need to download it. It should be pre-installed. So look for this specific app and open it. After that, we can scroll down to the tools and click on more options. When we enter it, we can find the internet speed test. You can select it and then start the test. It will take a few moments to test the speed for your internet. When it's ready, you will see the results on the screen. So we can actually wait those few moments. Okay, so you can see my upload speed, which is very bad, and then the download speed, which is quite good. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.